you are a creator and you don't want other people to steal your content, you need to watch this video to the end. Let's get started immediately. So guys, the first thing to do is to go to Gemini AI. They now have a tool that creates music. Okay, so once you enter your Gemini AI, you should have an interface like this. So click on create music. That's the second option there. Create image, create music. So that's the second option. Click on create music. Then you paste a prompt of what you want your music to be like. So for me, I'm telling Gemini that I want to create an intro background music for my AI stories, and I want the music to always play in the background of my video. I'm going to put this prompt in the comment section of this video, but just make sure you edit it to your own style. And I said I want it to be Afrobeat Nigerian style. So once I'm done, click on this button that looks like an arrow to the right. But I still want to adjust one or two things in my prompt. Just make sure that you write what you actually want the music should be about. And the AI music you generate from this platform is always 30 seconds. Yes, 30 seconds. So this music will help you to protect your content. It's just going to be in the background of your video. Don't worry, I'm going to teach you how to add the music to the background of your video. Just make sure you watch this video to the end. Okay, so I'm going to edit my prompt and send it immediately. So it will start generating. It doesn't take time. At most 2 minutes, 3 minutes, your music video is ready, as you can see. So I'm going to click on this arrow down to download it. But when you want to download it, it's going to bring two options: whether to download it as a video or to download it as an audio. But me, I prefer to download it as a video. You can see track with album art. So I'll download it as a video, so that when I want to edit, I'll just extract the music. Okay, don't worry, you will understand the reason why I'm choosing that. So now to edit it and put it in our music, go to CapCut or any editing app you are using. Then click on new video, or you select a video you have already edited. Now click on audio, then click on extract. So when you click on extract, if you have not allowed it before, something like this can pop up. Then all you need to do is to click on allow. Okay, so then it's going to take you to your gallery. You will see the video, you see the music as a video because we downloaded it as a video, so it will be easy for you to access. That's why I said you should download it as a video. Okay, so now once you click on that, it will extract and bring it in as a music. You can see this is just a music. You can see it. Now you need to reduce the volume because it is a background music. Okay, you don't want it to be too loud, so I'm going to reduce the volume. You can do, let's say, 14 or 10 or 8. Okay, so just make sure it's not too low and it's not too loud that is distracting your audience. Okay, so now the audio is just 30 seconds like I told you before. So now to make it longer and you want it to get to the end of your video, let's say your video is longer than that 30 seconds, all you need to do is to duplicate. So click on the music. When you click on the music, you now scroll. I don't know any kind of tool you are using, you will see this duplicate option there. So click on duplicate, the music will duplicate. Okay, so just keep clicking on duplicate again so that the music would duplicate. So if you have excess one, just split it and delete the excess music. That is how to create a music for your content or for your business. Okay, now I want to show you the next step on how to add a logo that anybody cannot remove or anybody cannot change to your video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. Okay, so now you need to bring in your logo. So click on overlay, then click on add overlay, and it will take you to your gallery. Select your logo. This is my logo. Then click on add. So now once your logo is here, the first thing you want to do is scroll to the last part. Just scroll and you will see this max option. Click on max. Then the next thing to do is to select this circle option. Circle, are you seeing it? 1, 2, 3, 4. And as you can see, the shape has changed. Now to adjust it, click on this first arrow icon at the top, then the side one to click drag it rather to adjust it, drag it so that your logo will show very well. So now my name is Claire, then I'm going to adjust it to make it smaller, just reduce it to make it smaller. So once it's small enough that I like it, then I'm going to now click on the logo on the timeline here and drag it to the end of my video so that it's going to be throughout the video. Okay, so now that it's throughout the video, the next thing we want to do is to add keyframe. Keyframe is what we're going to add to make it move around. So in the beginning of the video, just click on this thing you are seeing here that the arrow is showing. Click on it. It's going to add a keyframe. After you click on it for the first time, then move the logo to another place, then it's going to automatically click by itself. Just be playing the video and be moving your logo. That's all. That's the only thing you need to do. Play the video forward, move your logo. Play the video forward, move your logo. The keyframe will automatically be showing. Play the video forward and move your logo. So you can use any style, like any angle you want the logo to be. If you want it to be at the top alone, so it will just be moving left and right at the top, just move it to the right. Play the movie a little bit, move your logo to the left. Play your movie a little bit, move your logo to the top. Play the video a little bit. You can just do that. Just make sure your logo is not too big that it will be distracting your audience. You get? So that keyframe button, you don't need to be clicking it again once you have clicked it for the first time. The only thing you need to be doing is to be playing your movie and be moving the logo. The keyframe will be automatically showing. Okay, I hope you understand this. And that is how to add a logo that anybody cannot edit from your video. Okay, and this is what I've been doing, and most of my students in my community already know how to do it. Okay, so now that we are done, the next thing is to play our music that we generated.
This is digital